They called him ugly, poor, and strange, yet he became the wisest man who ever lived. His name was Socrates. Welcome back, everyone. Before we talk about Socrates, let's ask a simple question. Who is a philosopher? A philosopher is not just someone who reads big books or uses fancy words. A philosopher is someone who asks the deeper questions. Who am I? What is right and wrong? What is the purpose of life? They don't just live, they examine life. Socrates once said, "An unexamined life is not worth living." That's what philosophy is, the art of thinking deeply and living wisely. Now let's meet the man who started it all, Socrates, the father of Western philosophy. Born in 470 BC in Athens, Greece, Socrates wasn't born into fame. His father was a sculptor, his mother a midwife. He served as a soldier, fought bravely in wars, but he had a different battle inside his mind. He began to notice. Everyone spoke confidently, but thought shallowly. So he did something revolutionary. He started asking questions. He would stop people in the marketplace, politicians, poets, craftsmen, and ask, "What is courage? What is justice? What is truth?" And as they struggled to answer, they realized they didn't really know. That's how Socrates discovered the first truth of wisdom. True knowledge begins when you know that you know nothing. This method of questioning became legendary, the Socratic method, the art of finding truth through deep, honest questioning. It's the foundation of today's education, science, and even therapy. But not everyone liked being questioned. His fearless honesty made the powerful uncomfortable. At the age of 70, he was accused of corrupting the youth and disrespecting the gods. When sentenced to death, he refused to run away. He calmly drank the poison, hemlock, saying the unexamined life is not worth living. Before he died, he shared his core philosophies, timeless truths that still guide us today. Let's learn some of his philosophies. Know thyself. Self-awareness is the start of all wisdom. Question everything. Blind belief is the death of truth. Virtue is knowledge. If you truly understand what is good, you'll naturally do good. The soul is immortal. Our thoughts, character, and actions live beyond death. No one does wrong knowingly. Ignorance, not evil, causes wrongdoing. It's better to suffer wrong than to do wrong. Education is the kindling of a flame, not the filling of a vessel. Don't just memorize. Awaken your curiosity. Socrates didn't chase fame, followers, or fortune. He chased truth, and in doing so, he became immortal. So, the next time you're afraid to question what everyone believes, remember Socrates. He lost his life, but gave the world a new way to think. Thanks a lot for watching. If Socrates inspired you today, kindly subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share.